Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable dark mode in your Dropbox account in web browser. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. All you have to do is go to dropbox.com and hit on the login button at the navbar. This right here is the interface. Now let's simply try to enable the dark mode. Well, right here at the top, you will see a profile icon or simply your profile picture right next to the bell icon. Simply click on it, and as you can see, something like this opened up. Well, from here there are lots of settings available, but what we're gonna focus on is themes. Once I hover over it, it's gonna give me a few options like light mode, dark mode, or simply operating system. Right now we want to enable dark mode, so let's click on this button that is labeled as dark mode. And guys, as you can see, we have successfully transitioned from light mode to dark mode in Dropbox. And guys, that is it. That's how we enable dark mode in Dropbox. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.